Good evening.
Welcome to a very special The Media Show.
It's the media show with more serious eyebrows.
66% more serious eyebrows, to be exact.
Today, we are here to inform you of one of life's lethal dangers.
Not drunk driving.
Not unprotected sex.
Not partially hydrogenated soybean oil.
Not having unprotected sex while driving drunk and eating partially hydrogenated soybean oil.
No, today's lethal danger is singing songs. So innocent, so pure, or so you might think. According to a recent article in The Times, even singing a Christmas carol can get you in ear-deep poop with the music industry.
Take the 15-year-old girl who posted a video on YouTube of herself playing and singing Winter Wonderland, thereby revealing to all the world that there is such a song as Winter Wonderland.
Ooh. Thing is, Warner Music owns the rights to the song, so they can make YouTube take down the video any old time they want. And they did, preventing someone who wasn't getting paid for it from publicizing their song.
You can't take chances like that. She could have brought the Christmas industry to its knees. Knees!
You're kind of putting too much emphasis on the knees.
I like to say knees.
Get it out of your system.
I'm done.
And how about the teacher whose video got bumped because he was using the song Waiting for a Girl Like You to teach sign language?
Thereby running the very real risk that someone, somewhere,
or many someones in many places would learn sign language! Oh, the humanity!
So, the moral of this story is, don't sing in public.
Feel free to sing in the comfort of your own bedroom, bathroom, or car.
But the music industry is cracking down on performances of songs where other people can hear you.
Be careful out there, everyone. In other news, a couple of our fans had birthdays recently.
Yay! Happy birthday, Ann Stamschkin and Gavin Stewart.
In honor of this special occasion, I will now perform my special belching version of Happy Birthday.
No, Rena, don't!
I don't care if you think it's gross, it's my special talent.
No! Happy Birthday is owned by Time Warner too!
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Freeze! This belch is protected by ASCAP.
But...
Seize her, men!
Oh, no! It hurt their birthday!
And that's what you get. To report someone that you know who has sung Happy Birthday in public, visit unhappybirthday.com.
Is this really what we want from copyright?
Knees.